This week on My Style Radar, a look ahead towards fall, and the forecast is amazing. This season is loaded with charisma and completely cool. So first up, car wash pleats. This is what you call a fresh, modern spin in the world of hemlines. Now, this look is not nearly as boho as its fringe cousin. It's very fashion forward in the form of anything from a collegiate mini to a long hourglass skirt. But no matter what the length, the hallmark here are these line of wide cut mud flaps. This style is super trendy though, so remember, do not break your budget on something that may be gone in a flash. Next, the flared pant leg. Definitely a silhouette that has been on again, off again for so many years, but its popularity is now reaching fever pitch. Try yours with a wedge heel for flattery and height, but also if you're hesitant about this look, then keep the rest of your outfit very un-70s. So whether it's Stella McCartney or H&M, try pairing your strides with a simple tee or blouse just to ease into things. But to go full throttle retro here may be risky. And who isn't mad for plaid when the temperatures drop? Equal parts English it girl meets Gwen Stefani. This pattern is really one of my perennial favorites. We saw it pop up in a fresh format on the runways of everyone from Miu Miu to Marni for this season, and in so many different color plays. It's a win-win for me. And I'm a turtleneck girl all the way, but fall's tailored high neck trend doesn't need to spell frumpy. Show a little leg. Maybe it's a faded denim mini or crisp white shorts, but you can totally get away with showing some extra skin here. We also saw turtlenecks layered from the likes of Mara Hoffman and Jill Stewart for this fall, which got a lot of attention. But no matter how you dress it, this chic staple can toggle between your desk and a dinner date with zero effort. And after years of delicate minimalism, the statement earring is back. The more color and architecture, the better. And this look injects major drama into an otherwise low-key portrait. So for minimal work, you can really turn your everyday look into a runway reality. And we're not talking about those crystal heavy chandelier styles of years past. The 2015 versions are chunky, oversized, and strong. For Chateline, I'm Susie Wall.